Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be how to properly replace the batteries in this Honeywell RTH2510-2410 programmable thermostat. Now, the very first thing you want to do is turn the thermostat off. So if it's in cool or heat setting, you want to turn it completely to the off position, so right in the middle. That's the very first thing you want to do. Then you want to go ahead and remove the thermostat from the backing plate. So this part will be attached to the wall. The way you remove this one is you want to kind of hold down on the bottom here at 6 o'clock with your thumb. So I'm going to mimic what it's going to be doing if it's mounted on the wall. Hold it down with my thumb, and then you want to pivot up. Pivot up, and it will remove it without breaking any of the tabs. Okay, there's going to be tabs here. You don't want to destroy any of that. So by doing that, you're going to expose the back side. And as you can see, there are the batteries. It uses 2 AAA batteries. Now, it will let you know here on the screen if you have a low battery situation, and that's when you want to go ahead and replace your batteries. And so we're going to take these out. And then one more thing you want to do while you have this exposed is you want to go ahead and check your contacts. As you can see there, you have the terminals. Now, there could be corrosion there. You want to go ahead and take some isopropyl alcohol as well as a Q-tip and go ahead and polish those and make sure that to remove any corrosion or anything that's on there or buildup. You'll be surprised how much buildup there is on these contacts, and it will prevent your batteries from lasting over time. So go ahead and clean the contacts. Now you can go ahead and install your fresh new batteries. And after you do that, you're going to have to set your time. So I put them in backwards. Okay. So then after that, go ahead and set your time. I'm not going to do that, but you know exactly how to do that. You can watch one of my videos, set your time, and then you're good to go, and you can go ahead and turn on your heat and cool as needed. And that's the video, guys, for installing and replacing the batteries on your RTH Honeywell thermostat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.